In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? Look at different oil products, vegetable and animal oil products. Vegetable and animal oil products, $15.2 billion. Vegetable and animal oil product, $15.2 billion. So US is spending $15.2 billion to import different vegetable and animal oil products, plant and animal oil products. For example, 26.3% of this product is oil product is rapeseed. So if you are into production of both plant-based or animal-based oil products, this is for you. Palm oil, 14.6%. Remember, the total is 15.2 billion, and about 15% of that is palm oil. So US is importing a lot of palm oil, 15.6%. Pure olive oil, 11.6%. Coconut oil, 9.9%. Stearic acid oil, 7.45%. Bovine, sheep, and goat fat. These are fat from cow, sheep, and goat, 6.85%. Inedible fat and oil, 2.92%. Seed oil, like sesame seed. Groundnut oil, 2.82%. Margarine, 2.55%. Other vegetable oil, 5.69%. Glycerol, 2.54%. Fish oil, 1.33%. 1.33% of the $15.2 billion. Soybean oil, 1.31%. Soybean oil, pig and poultry fat. Can you imagine? Pig and poultry fat, 0.51%. So the total animal and plant-based oil being imported by the US amount to about $15.2 billion. $15.2 billion.